Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I created this festive makeup look. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce you to myself. My name is Sneha and I create content on beauty, fashion and often on travel. So please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And now without any further ado, let's get into this tutorial. To save the time, I've already prepped my skin. Let's directly jump to makeup, and my first step would be to apply a primer, and I'm taking Power Grip primer from ELF. This is an amazing primer. It really does what it says. It makes your makeup to last for a long time because it provides a good grip to your makeup base. I'll let this primer to set on my skin for a minute and so. My second step would be to apply a foundation. Now for this step I'm mixing my Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation with L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Matte Cover Foundation because the Swiss Beauty foundation was 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So just to match the skin tone, I'm mixing it with another foundation. But other than that, I absolutely love the coverage that the Swiss Beauty foundation gives, and it really is an airbrush finish coverage. So I absolutely love this, and it also has hyaluronic acid in its formulation, so this is really good for girls with dry skin type. Also, this Swiss Beauty foundation comes at very affordable price, and I'll also share all the shade details in my description box below, so do not forget to check that out. For my third step, I'm taking this concealer from Forever 52 Professional Complete Coverage Concealer range in the shade COV001, and this is a great concealer, and I'm applying it to my usual places, and I am blending this out with the help of a makeup sponge. I'll also apply this concealer on my eyelids to create some base for my eyeshadow. For my fourth step, I'm taking this translucent powder. This one is from Maybelline's Fit Me range, and primarily I'll focus this underneath my eyes where I have applied the concealer so as to avoid it from creasing, and then whatever would be left on my powder brush, I'll apply it on rest of my face. My fifth step would be to define my eyebrows, and for that I'm taking drawing eyebrow pencil from Etude House. First I'll define the shape of my eyebrows using the pencil side of this brow pencil, and then I'll fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows, and then with the help of the spoolie side of this brow pencil, I'll just blend it in so as to create a smooth and finished eyebrow look. For my sixth step, I am taking this eyeshadow palette from K Beauty, and I'll be using 3 shades from the palette. First, I am taking the dark brown shade, and with the help of a pencil brush, I am creating an outer V, as you can see here. Also, you can see that I've applied this color only on 1/3 outer part of my eyes, and I'll just take my time to build some intensity to this color. Then I'm taking this champagne shade, which is a shimmery shade from the palette, and with the help of my finger I'm just applying it first, focusing on the center of my eyes and then also in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm taking my pencil brush again, and where these 2 shades are connecting, I'm just trying to blend them together so as they look as merged, and there is no harsh line visible between these 2 shades. Then I'm taking the light brown shade from the eyeshadow palette on my fluffy brush, and you can see I'm running my fluffy brush on my upper crease from outer corner to the inner corner so as to just soften the outer edge, and I'll also run my fluffy brush on the outer V so as to soften the dark brown shade which I've applied on my outer V. Then I am repeating the same steps under my lower lash line. So first I am taking the dark brown shade on my pencil brush and applying it underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm taking another brush and I'm applying the soft brown color on my lower lash line, and I'm just softening the dark brown that I've already applied. Now let's add some more glitter. So I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow from Swiss Beauty in the shade Champagne, and I'll apply it in the inner corner of my eyes. Also applying this on my brow bone area and blending it with the help of my finger. And then with the help of an eyelash curler, I'm curling my eyelashes. Last step for my eyes would be to apply good coats of mascara, and for that I'm taking this mascara from Lakme Absolute range. I love how much volume it gives to my eyelashes, and I first apply it on my upper eyelashes and then I also apply it on my lower lashes. For my 7th step, I am taking this coral pink blush shade and I am applying it with the help of a blush brush, and I'll mention the brush number in my description box below. My 8th step would be to do contouring to provide some depth and definition to my face and to bring back some colors on my face. 9th step would be to apply a golden highlighter on highest points of my cheeks, which would be my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose and my cupid bow. My 10th step would be to apply lip shade, and first I'm applying this lip shade. This one is a nude pink shade from Recode Studio Pro in the shade number 01 Monday. I love the formulation of this lip shade. It gives a matte finish but it doesn't dries out my lips. On top of it, I'll be applying a red lip shade. This one is 118 Dancer Lip Color from Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink Collection, and I am in love with the combination of these two shades. Let me know in the comment section if you also like the combination of these two lip shades. And for my final step, I am setting my makeup using this setting spray from MAC. Any traditional look is incomplete without a bindi, so this is my final look. If you recreate this makeup look, please do not forget to tag me on my Instagram, and if you haven't already followed me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is DreamboatSneha. Do follow me there, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.